Good evening everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Twinkle Quatra from Miami Law College and currently a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and today I am going to discuss that what are the things you should mention in legal notice so that legal notice basically of breach of contract, so it will be easy for you to know. So what all the agreements or contract that are made in India are governed by the Indian Contract Act 1872, and if the aggrieved party want to file or want to file a legal notice, they can do under that under CPC, Civil Procedure Code. So if that notice doesn't reach to the breaching party or has not been answered back, they can directly file a case. So now we will discuss that what are the reason or what are the possible reasons that result in breach of a contract. So there are mainly 5 to 6 reasons. First is that if the party to the contract does not comply with the clause of the contract. Second is that if the party to the contract interfere in any other party work, and if they next is if they tell their desire that they cannot do the contract further or cannot follow the contract further, if they do not done the desired work that was needed, and if they did not do their part of the work. So these were the 5 reasons that will lead to the breach of a contract. So now let's just discuss what is the legal notice to breach of the contract. So a legal notice tells that in a specific time frame what should be the specific action that should be taken to resolve the problem, and basically to the breach of contract, it is the agreement, it is the notice that is sent by one party to the other, and in that notice it is written that the other party, that is a breaching party, has not done their part of the performance and has been breached the contract. And it should also mention that how the other party, that is breaching party, has breached the contract. And a legal notice to breach of contract should be strict, and it should discuss the clauses of the term that has been breached, and also that clause in which the notice requirement is there. And now in the legal notice it should be also mentioned that what are the steps that have been mentioned in the contract already by the party should be taken by the breaching party, either to terminate the contract or to pay the compensation or to do the work they are not performing. So these was the legal notice for breach of contract. Now what are the essential points that should be mentioned in a legal notice? First and basic point is that there should be the name and proper description or place or office of the breaching party. And next is that the date of receipt of the notice on which the breaching party have been informed by the breach of contract. It is really very important, because if any court case in future you will file, it will be important that on which date you have informed the breaching party about the breach of the contract. And next important thing is that mention the clause of the notice described in the contract. So almost every contract has a clause of notice in which it is written that in what mode the breaching information or the legal notice will be sent to a breaching party. It should be via mail or fax or email or speed post, anything that the party will decide. And if these means have not been followed, then it will be beneficial to the breaching party, because it will be considered as invalid legal notice. And in legal notice of breaching of contract, it should be also mentioned that what are the clauses that have been breached and what are the reliefs that the breaching party have to take. So the next important thing is that the aggrieved party should give importance to the material breach of contract, because any legal notice can be given on any breach of contract, but if you will focus on a material breach of contract, it will be more effective. And material breach of contract means that what was the sole purpose of the contract that has been destroyed, and material loss has been done to the aggrieved party. So after serving the legal notice, the aggrieved party can also file a case against the breaching party under specific non-performance of contract, and also claim for damages. Next is that description of the action to be taken by the breaching party to cure the breach of contract. It means that the legal notice should have the detailed action that should be taken by the breaching party to cure their mistake, or they can also terminate the contract if they want, and can give the a desired claim that has been asked by the aggrieved party. So next and the last and important thing is that a lawyer should be hired, and he should take the a copy of the legal notice, and the copy should be duly signed by a lawyer. So, and also approximately to 15 to 20 days should be given to the breaching party, so that they can rectify their mistake, or they can terminate the contract, whatever they want. And also all the communication regarding the breach of the contract should also be mentioned in the legal notice. So that's it. I hope you have found this information valuable, and if you have any doubt, you can comment me down below, and keep liking, keep sharing, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.